welcome to Ellen Ruth Soap. I'm Ellen, and today we are going to make a winter-inspired soap using this adorable snowflake mold. I love this. It's so cute, and they're little palm size. I just love this mold, and these would make fabulous stocking stuffers or gift basket ideas. I just think these are fabulous, or just if you're having a Christmas party or a winter party at your house to have little guest soaps in the bathrooms that are snowflakes. I just love everything about these. I'm going to make them super simple today. The fragrance I'm using is from Nature's Garden, and it's called Applejack Peel. And let me read you the scent notes. I have my computer off to the side here. Okay, notes of lemon zest, grapefruit, and apple. Middle notes of peach, orange, cinnamon, and clove. And base notes of maple, vanilla, cream, and musk. And I love earthy scents, so anytime I have a fragrance that has that bottom note of musk, I tend to really like it. This one smells so good. It got good reviews. It's not supposed to discolor or cause acceleration or separation or any funny business going on. It's supposed to behave well, smells fantastic. So we're going to make these snowflakes today. In the body of the soap, I'm going to add this white champagne mica, just for a little bit of sparkle, and even though this doesn't discolor, to keep it a nice and light and very snow colored is what I'm thinking about. And then in the bottom of my mold, before we pour the batter in, I'm going to sprinkle some of this eco glitter. It's just a white kind of shimmery silver, so I want that to be on the bottom, and then when you pour the batter in and we unmold, it will have a very glittery top, just to give them a little, because there's no color swirls or anything, and you know I love a little extra special. So I will be leaving the oats out of the recipe today for my additives, because I do want these to be white, and the oats that I use, it's an oat flour, and it can leave a little bit of speckles, and I don't want that today, so oats are out. I may use an aloe vera lye solution. That sounds good to me. Does that sound good to you? Let's do an aloe vera lye solution for this soap today. I will have the recipe down below in the description box. And I did want to say, if you're enjoying the content on my channel and the recipes I'm providing, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell for notifications so you don't miss anything going on in the soap studio. So let me get everything pulled together, and let's come back and make some really pretty winter-inspired snowflake soap. All right, we're back, and I'm going to talk about the recipe I'm using today, but first I want to get my sprinkles down into my snowflakes here. And I do have this on a tray, so once the soap is poured, I can move it around and still use my workspace. The first thing I'm going to do, this is 99% isopropyl alcohol. You could use 70%, 91%, or none at all. It's all fine, but this is what I have. And so I'm going to mist the bottom of these snowflakes before I put my sprinkles in so they stick really good. That's what I'm thinking. Again, I don't know if this is necessary, but I'm going to do it. So just a really quick little mist in each one of these. All right, and then I'm going to sprinkle this in, and of course it's going to get on the sides, and that's fine. These can be sparkly all over. I really don't care. Can you have too much sparkle? Sometimes no. We are back with the oils and butters and all the good stuff in here, and this is a new recipe for me today. I have a whole bunch of mango butter that I bought in bulk, and I wanted to use mango butter in my recipe. So this has coconut oil, some palm oil, mango butter, castor, olive, and sunflower oil, and it will all be written out in gram and ounces down below. I think it's going to be great. So the first thing is I want to put my kale and clay in here. Again, we're not doing oats, but the clay, because I love it and it's white, and I think it will just be fabulous in this soap. And then I have my white champagne mica, and I've decided I'm also going to add a little French white shimmer. This is a little more sparkly because I really want these to be sparkly. So let me go ahead and add this one in here. And you can see that it's almost silver. And I'd like to talk about the fragrance. And I am really, really glad that I ran over to my computer and double checked the usage rate. This Applejack Peel in soap has a usage rate of 1%. So I'm glad I checked. So the fragrance is already in here at 1%. And it still smells really strong, I will say that. We're back and it's time to make soap, but first look at this gorgeous, it looks like champagne silk to me. Isn't that beautiful? Love it. I'm hoping that it stays that color because that's dreamy. So this is a very small batch of soap. I hope I calculated it correctly. These little bars are just under 3 ounces each, and I do have a little silicone mold off to the side in case I have extra batter. Isn't that cute, that little owl? Love him. But I think we'll be close to getting all of those filled. So let's talk about the aloe vera lye solution is what we've got here. It is 50% water, 50% aloe vera juice. I did do some cane sugar for lather, but I did not do my silk fibers because, like the oats, my silk fibers are natural and unbleached and unprocessed, so they have little flecks in them, and I want these to be a very pure color. So no silk fibers in here. And I did put a little sodium lactate, especially because these molds have an intricate top design, and I really want them to unmold very crisp. So that's what's going on in here. Let's just get to this. I'm excited to see how this color comes out in the end product. It is the next day, and this color did lighten up, but it's a little more ivory than I was hoping for, but that's all right. I can't wait to see how the glitter looks on the other side. Let me try and unmold my little owl here to get an idea how this is going. So this fragrance, I wouldn't say it was a fast-moving fragrance, but it was definitely not a slow-moving fragrance. Oh, how cute is that? I love my little owl. That is adorable. All right, let's get to the good stuff. So anyway, when I poured it, I only blended for, gosh, maybe 30 seconds or so, and it was thickening up, but definitely workable. Oh, yay. Do you see the pretty glitter on top? And because of the sodium lactate, and this is a good, hard recipe, it unmolds beautiful. All the little details of the snowflakes. Oh, super happy. But yeah, this fragrance, I would call it a mover. I probably wouldn't do a really intricate design with it, but workable. And at 1%, this has a very nice scent. You can definitely smell it, so it's a good, strong fragrance. Oh, I'm happy with these. Just so pretty. I think these would be wonderful in a stocking, in all of your bathrooms, having a holiday party. If you had a Christmas wedding, I think these would be great little gifts. I love how the glitter came out on top. I think it adds a little something. Aww. Yay. These are definitely a win, I think. Just a pretty holiday, Christmas inspired, all of that. I love it. Well, these were fun to make. Sometimes something quick and simple just really hits the mark, and I think these do it. I love it. I hope you give it a try. Give this recipe a try. It's a really good one. Very happy with it. And I hope you have a wonderful day.